Yes, good day to you guys. My name is MJ Lopez and I'm super happy and grateful right now mainly because we are creating massive results. Guys, yung inner circle natin, yung media team natin, nagke-create na ng resulta. Bumili ng motor at kotse and later on makikita nyo yan. But in this vlog, we're gonna share with you how to handle your success. How will you handle achievements? Kasi most people, kapag may achievement, di ba, mabilis din nawawala sa kanila, bumabagsak din sila. So pag-usapan naman natin, paano natin i-handle yung mga bagay na meron tayo, especially if we are achieving milestones in life. Yun lang guys, and welcome to another vlog. Let's go! Ayan guys, andito tayo ngayon sa SLEX at kita nyo basang-basa pa yung bintana natin kasi grabe, sobrang lakas ng ulan kanina. Parang bumabagyo to the point na halos hindi na namin makita yung kalsada. So ngayon parang may humahabol pang patak ng ulan. Grabe, ang lakas talaga ng ulan. And that's the first thing that you have to take note of kung magkakaroon ka ng result, kung may ma-achieve kang goal, kung may ma-achieve kang milestone. Babagyuhin ka. Mauulanan ka. Kasi hindi nawawala sa tao yung inggit. Hindi nawawala sa tao yung negativity. So, example na lang, kung ikaw may palayan, talagang pepestehin yan. Tapos nanakawan yan. Tapos maraming magtatangka na sirain yung crops mo. Pag ikaw may punong malaki, nanakawin nila yung bunga. Pag ikaw may na-achieve, pwede kang siraan, pwede kang i-down ng mga tao. Pero tandaan nyo, yung bagyo, temporary lang. Hindi yan forever. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kagaya ngayon, tingnan nyo, tumila na yung ulan, ang ganda ng langit, ang ganda ng view ngayon. Kasi, right after ng malakas na bagyo, especially kung wala ka pang resulta, right after ng bagyo, magkakaresulta ka. Sabi nga nila, there's always a rainbow after the rain. At kapag ikaw, tandaan nyo to kapag ikaw, may resulta na, may na-achieve na goals, tapos binagyo ka pa bigla, sa lang ibig sabihin yan, may paparating pang mas malaki. So ngayon, pupunta tayo sa destination natin, sa Worldwide Entrepreneurs Office. But for now, bago tayo makarating doon, Prince, pakita mo muna sa kanila yung motor ni Roel.
Well, there's no problem. If you had a gun, shoot him in the head.
Number 2 is don't be complacent. Huwag kang masyadong kampante. Kasi most of the time, pag may na-achieve tayo, nakuha natin yung goal natin, namamahinga na. Masyadong nagiging kontento at nagiging kampante. To the point na tumitigil na tayo. Now, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with enjoying the success that you have. There's nothing wrong with celebrating the success. Kasi yun talaga yung dapat. Actually, kasama yun sa idea na i-share ko sa inyo. Pero, most people tend to over-celebrate too long. Minsan, sobrang haba ng celebration at sobrang grabe yung celebration to the point na hindi na nakakapag-set ng bagong goals, nagiging kampante at complacent na. So, ang akin, instead na maging kampante ka, dapat pag may na-achieve ka, lalo kang manggigil, lalo kang ganado to achieve more of your goals, lalo kang ganado to actually raise your standards, lalo kang gigil to do more so you can achieve more. So kung makikita nyo ngayon, we've been achieving a lot of milestones. Si Prince may kotse na, si Ariel may motor na, si Roel may motor na, si Alvin magkakakotse din. Si Ivan, bago nating editor, malamang sa malamang magkakamotor din yon. Kakabili ko lang ng relo, pangarap na pangarap kong relo. And soon, bibili rin ako ng bagong kotse. Social media natin, palaki ng palaki, businesses natin, palaki ng palaki, brand deals natin, parami din ng parami. So we've been hitting our goals. Pero instead na makampante, ma-over-celebrate, lalo tayong nagiging responsable. Lalo nating ginagalingan. Kung mapapansin nyo, may notebook ako sa harapan because imbes na maging sobrang happy lang ako, mas ino-organize ko yung sarili ko kasi mas marami akong ginagawa ngayon. I've been organizing my day, I've been structuring myself so I can sustain the success that I already have. And remember, instead of being complacent, raise your standards. Taas mo standard mo. Since you already know what's possible, you already know what you can do. itaas mo pa yung standard mo. At pag-uusapan pa natin yan mamaya. So for now, our training will about to start. Pasensya na kayo guys, tumitingin ako ng oras. Napapangiti talaga ako. I'm just super happy and grateful right now. So Prince, ipakita mo naman sa kanila ngayon yung motor ni Shane. This is number 3 sa vlog, guys, ha? The principle is this. Be humble, or life will humble you. Alright? Tapak lang sa lupa. Pare-pares tayong tumatae, no? Pare-pares tayong kumakain. Pare-pares tayong natutulog. Magkakaiba lang ng schedule, pero understand na isa sa belief mo na dapat mong baguhin, hindi porket mayaman ka na, nakaka-achieve ka na ng mga bagay-bagay, may na-reach ka ng mga milestones, yayabang ka na. Pwedeng magmukha kang mayabang sa iba. Don't get me wrong. Pero kailangan hindi ka maging arrogante. Kasi saan ka ba galing? Nagigets ba? Don't be arrogant, you know? Walang masama if you respect your space. Kung pipiliin mo yung mga magiging kaibigan mo. Kung pipiliin mo kung kanino ka sasama. Kasi that's protecting yourself. Don't get me wrong. Pero iba yung arrogante ka na eh. Alam mo yun? Iba yung sobrang taas na ng tingin mo sa sarili mo. Kasi pag ikaw, lagi ka nakatapak sa lupa. Sabi to ng nanay ko, pag lagi ka nakatapak sa lupa, pero ginagalingan mo, tinotodo mo, competent ka, responsable ka, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, yun ang mag-aangat sa'yo. Let the results and the people around you speak about your success. Speak about you. Hayaan mong iba mag-angat sa'yo. Are you with me? Yes! May kasabi, angat mo sarili mo. Yes, tama yun. Iangat mo sarili mo sa hierarchy ng success. Pero that doesn't mean magiging arrogante ka. Drop the fucking ego.
So mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag. What's it feel like never having no real life? I don't know how you deal. I can't imagine your pain.
So number 4 is celebrate your wins, including the small ones. And this is one example, guys, no? Nagma-mastermind session sila, nag-sharing sila na experiences nila, at ano yung mga wins nila, and everyone actually appreciates, everyone will acknowledge it. So, kaya malaki, kaya maliit yung wins, everyone celebrates, and it's really good if you can incorporate this culture in your community, especially if you are a leader at nagmamanage ka ng malaking team. So, ikaw, para masustain mo yung success mo, masustain mo yung mga bagay na meron ka, kahit anong ma-achieve mo, malaki man o maliit yan, i-acknowledge mo, i-celebrate mo. Okay? For example, ang mali sa iba, kaya hindi nasusustain yung success kasi may na-achieve sila tapos hindi sila masaya. Hindi nila na-appreciate sarili nila. Hindi nila ina-acknowledge yung sarili nila, and more importantly, hindi sila grateful. So dapat grateful ka, na-appreciate mo kay maliit o malaki. So for now, we will allow them to talk. And let's see what will happen later. Teka lang, habang pababa ako ng hagdan, magpapahinga ako sa baba. Prince, ipakita mo sa kanila yung Civic mo. Number 5 is raise your standards. For me, based on what I know, and this is what I believe is true. The only way to sustain the success that you already have is aiming for more. There's no other way. You can't stop. Hindi ka pwedeng tumigil. You should always be hungry. Think about it. Ang success kasi walang gitna. It's either you are growing or you are dying. And dying means that you are losing in life, that you are failing in life, and you don't have a dream, as if you are dead inside. But if you keep trying, if you have another goal, if you raise your standards, na yes, masaya ngayon, yes, may na-achieve ako ngayon, yes, may bagong milestone, pero who knows? Baka next month, next year, may bago. Mas malaki, mas maganda, hindi mas masaya. Ang kagandahan dito, it is actually really fulfilling and really exciting to actually set another goal because now, you already know what's possible. You already know what you can do. Alam mo na yung kaya mong gawin, alam mo na yung pwede mong gawin, alam mo na yung pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Because you already have a proof of concept, you already have an evidence that you can. So yeah, if you are able to achieve your goals, try to set a new goal, a bigger one. Something na ma-stretch ka. That way, in the process of achieving the next goal, you will grow. And guess what? From that growth, you will be able to handle the success that you already have. And part of raising your standards is growing as a person, of course. Is personal development. It's watching more videos. It's reading books. So if you are getting value from our channel, please subscribe. Click the notification button para alam nyo pag may bagong upload tayo, especially podcast and vlogs. Make sure that you also like and follow our page. It's MJ Lopez. And isama nyo kami sa favorites nyo. And of course, ang ating podcast, it's Principles by MJ Lopez. And you can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Because we are dedicated to create massive value for you every day. So yun lang guys, this is the end of vlog. And always remember that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez and see you soon.